Hi, this is John with WATI, and this is my charging station. So I have several devices that had to charge every single day, and a lot of times they don't need too much speed, but all I need is the range and the availability of having multiple USB plugs. So this is where this Arttron power station actually comes here. So this guy here has multiple sides that you can connect to your phone, your tablet, your wireless charger receiver, or any of the other devices that you want to use. Something I like, this is sturdy and heavy. So that means that it's good quality and has a charging protection that it can hold up to multiple devices, and you know that it's gonna do right. So I've been using this for a while already, and it haven't given no problem. It just works great. You plug it into the wall, and as many as USB chargers that you need, this is gonna hold up great. So you're looking for a great power station. This Arttron does a great job for you. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.